Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create form in LibreOffice Base. We're going to start here in queries. We're going to go ahead and click create query in design view. And you have to ensure that you already have tables created for this, or at least queries. But yeah, since we haven't, we're going to go ahead and start add tables to this right here. And we're going to close this one. Let's go ahead and make this a bit bigger, just like so. I'm going to start double clicking this one. What that is going to do is it's going to start adding that right here. Then I'm going to do the same thing for all of the other fields. Now that I've added everything, let's just go ahead and close this, set as the below function. Now that I've added everything, we're going to go ahead and click run query. You can see that they're all working, so we're going to save this one, save this as query number 1. So you have to remember the title. That's very important. I'm going to close this, head over to forms, and we're going to go ahead and use wizard to create form. Now we have query number 1, so I'm going to go ahead and start adding everything. Now subform is not needed, so I'm going to continue. Now with the arrange controls, this is very important. Go ahead and choose your design here. So there are different formats for you to choose. Let's choose this one, for example. And then if you have a subform, you have the option here as well. Then we'll click next. I'm just going to disable these here. Click next once again, and you have different color options here, by the way. I'm going to choose this color, the same way of how the field is going to look like. Now I'm going to click next, and let's go ahead and call this one form number 1. Click finish, and there you go. So right now you have 6 people in there. If I'm going to go ahead and click the next button right here, you'll be able to see that there are 5, including the 0 earlier, which makes a total of 6. Now, if you want to add someone new, you can go ahead and click the new record right here, and then you can go ahead and start with the first name. Say, for example, Vladimir Shakim, and then for the date of birth, let's say June 21, 1917, and then for the grade, let's go ahead and type 88. And yeah, once it's done, go ahead and click save right here, and you'll be able to see it with the rest of the group. So yeah, that basically is how it works. Now, what if, say, for example, you want to delete any of these, say, for example, Anna Brown? You have the option to click this delete record right here, and then click yes, and you'll see that it's going to jump from number 7, number 4. There you go. So yeah, that's basically how it works, everybody. And if you are satisfied with the form already, go ahead and click the save as right here, save copy as, and then you can go ahead and save this in their personal desktop file. But basically, that's how you're going to create form here in LibreOffice Base.